Hi everyone, we are at Getaway House Catskills East, and this is our little cabin. This is our tiny house. It's got a little picnic table out here, and we've got some chairs and a fire pit, and we are gonna stay in our little tiny house here and have a little camping adventure. It's gonna be so fun. Ernie, look at the forest, is already, he's trying to climb up in the snow. There's still a little bit of snow. There's also quite a bit of mud. So we're gonna have to be careful with that. Luckily we brought the essentials and things, towels and whatnot, so we can stay clean. But yeah, it's actually like 65 degrees right now, but they had a good amount of snow and there's still some on the ground. But let's go inside and check out our cabin. So all the cabins have names, and ours is Seema. And we're gonna go inside right now. Ernie's already ready. He's like, let us in. Let us into the tiny house. I am excited. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, are we gonna give everybody the room tour? It's gonna be like the quickest room tour we've ever done. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready to give everybody the tour? Okay, it's gonna take about 5 seconds. All right, this is our little tiny house. We've got our little kitchen over here with all of the pots and pans and plates that we would need. We've got cups up here for your mugs and drinking water. There's also some provisions that are up here in case you forgot anything. Got a little box of goodies down here. Hold on, let me see if I can get that out so you can see what's in there. Just like your hot chocolate, pour over coffee, tea, wipes, bug stuff, you know. Then you've got your condiments over here for your coffee, got some towels, some cooking utensils, salt, pepper, olive oil, silverware, all set. Got your thermostat over there to control the temperature. And the best thing, here's the bed and there's the view. What? How amazing is that? This is the selling point of the tiny house. Look at this window and you can just lay up here in bed and you're in the forest. That's amazing. We got some reading lights over the bed, so that's pretty fancy. Shades and everything for privacy. Pull them down at night for sleeping. There's a little bench here to sit on, as well as your table. And we have some treats. We have little treats over here for Ernie, which is amazing. They got a little bowl and everything for us. And we have a s'mores kit that came complimentary from the friends at Walmart. So that's amazing. We got s'mores. We have a little note from the staff that is so cute and kind. There's a lockbox here for your cell phones, all of your electronics, so that you can completely unwind and decompress, unplug. This is beautiful. Got a little light over here. There's the door to our cabin where we just came in. And then up over here is the bathroom. Yes. We do have running water. We have toilet, towels up here, and a shower. Look at that. Complete with bath products on the wall. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Fabulous. Little light up there. Where's the light? What's up there? All right. Oh, and then a window. Another window. Amazing. Towel racks. Yeah, this is fantastic. What do you think? This is so good, right? This is so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is great. Come on down. All right, we're gonna go and play and unpack and get some stuff in the fridge, and then we're gonna cook dinner on the campfire. It's gonna be awesome. So I did want to take a little bit of a closer look over here at the amenities, if you will. There's a phone, landline, so in case you don't have cell service, emergency calls, you do have a landline. You have access to the outside world. We have Verizon. We've got 5G service out here, so I think we're good. But that was not expected. So it is nice to have a phone in the unit. That's good. And also, you have a radio. So in case you need a little background noise, you know, a little something to listen to while you're here, there's a radio, a deck of playing cards, and some books. You can read some books while you're sitting in your beautiful bed looking out at your beautiful view. Hello, puppy. Ernie is loving it. We've got his food set up again right here. And another thing, speaking of when we were talking about overpacking, this came with all the things we would have needed. And we brought all of these things. So we didn't need to bring half the stuff we brought. But, you know, better to be safe. But yeah, 2 torches, scissors, wine opener, can opener, knives. Again, you've got your forks and spoons and things over here with your salt and pepper, cream, sugar for coffee. We also brought coffee. I don't think we needed to do that since they have the little provisions up here. Again, anything you want to use, they just charge it to you at the end of your stay. Prices seem pretty reasonable too. I mean, that's comparable to what you would get at like a big box or a Target or something like that. That's not bad. So that's good. And you also have a teeny tiny little cabinet right here with a mirror. So cute. All right, cutting board over here, dish soap, sponge, got a little rack in there, and then underneath the sink you have your trash, dustpan, paper towels, more paper towels. Really good. And I'll show you the size of the fridge, and you'll see that we have fully stocked it, and it's quite large. And there is also a freezer section, which is nice. I mean, this fridge is better than some of the ones I've seen at Disney hotels. So not bad at all. I think this is going to be fantastic. Ernie's already like, I am taking a nap. Okay. Now for those of you that are looking for plugs for your electronics, you have 2 regular outlets here by the sink underneath the cutlery. There is nothing over here by the bed because you're supposed to be looking out at the view and sleeping. But there are 2 over here by the door, and one of them is a USB. So check that out. What do you think, bud? Look at all the stuff to see. The forest, it's right out there. Oh my goodness. What? You're like, what's over there? What treats do you have? Look at that, another window. Bed's pretty comfy, I gotta say. Not bad, not bad at all. Hello, what do you think? You like it? I think it's good. All right. Excellent view. All right, so now we're just hanging out in here, having a little rest before we make dinner on the campfire, watching the sun go down. And I gotta say, it feels a lot more spacious in here than it looks on the outside. There's a lot of room. I like it. It feels really comfortable. And this bed, very nice. It's not a futon, it's a real mattress. It's very comfortable. Okay, the time has come. We are building our first campfire. We've got our bundle of wood from over there in the wood storage, $8. That's great. And we've also got these flatwood Duraflame that we got at Target, all natural fire starters. There is fire starter in the box as well. We're just going to use this since we brought it. And also, we're trying to make our suitcase a little bit lighter for the way back home. And we're going to start building our little fire right over here. All right, it worked. We did it. We built a campfire. Now we're going to get our foil pouches ready. Start cooking. What do you think? I'm impressed. We did really good. Yeah. Looks awesome. All right, we've got the baked potato on there. Fire's going nicely. Probably take half hour, 45 minutes for that potato. And then we're gonna start making up the salmon and the asparagus It's going to be awesome. Okay, here is the rest of the dinner situation. We have asparagus, salmon, got some olive oil, salt and pepper, and foil. Going to be making some foil pouches. Start with the salmon. All right, salmon pouch is done. Next, the asparagus. All right, and there's our asparagus, a little olive oil, salt and pepper, a little lemon juice. Getting ready to get wrapped up. Here we go. All right, foil pouches are ready to go. Put those on in a second. And we've got a lovely Sauvignon Blanc with our fancy cane glass to go with our salmon tonight. Fire is doing okay, I think. Ernie's right here. And yeah, cooking out on the campfire for dinner. So fancy. Cheers, everyone. Okay, moment of truth. Ooh, ooh, steamy. I think it worked. It worked. Look at that. Asparagus are perfect. Yes. Okay, at least we have one thing. All right, let's check out the baked potato and the salmon. Just pull the salmon out. It's flaking apart. It looks done. I cannot believe this worked. On the other hand, speaking of things that didn't work, the potato is taking its time. Yeah, still not done. Hour and 15 minutes in. And yeah, I think we might just be having asparagus and salmon. Yeah. Okay, so here we have our asparagus and our salmon with our Sauvignon Blanc. Got a little salt and pepper for extra seasoning if we need it. And maybe we'll have that baked potato for dessert. We'll see what happens. Ernie's down here like, hey, I want to try a piece of that salmon. Also, in case the audio is bad, I will re-record this later, but it is so quiet and peaceful out here, and there are other people in other cabins. I don't want to disturb anybody, so I'm whispering, but if this is not audible, I'll put subtitles up, and I will re-record the audio as well. But let's dive in. Let's see how it is. Okay, that's actually really good. Wow, I'm impressed. All right, let's try one of these. If I can lift it up. Asparagus. Oh, the asparagus are perfect. Amazing. What do you think? Having your dinner outside tonight? Yeah. Fancy. Hey, bud. Been checking out the nighttime view? We just finished dinner. It was yummy. The potato did not work out. The potato's gonna have to be tomorrow. Maybe we'll cook that on the stove. But yeah, over the campfire, did not work out. But the asparagus were perfect. The salmon was delicious. Not bad. Not bad at all. For our first campfire meal, not bad at all. We started to put the blind down a little bit over here on the window. It's getting to be nighttime. It's about 7:45. And yeah, the view is still spectacular. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of day 1 of our staycation here in the East Catskills at Getaway House. We will have day 2 coming up for you next week, so please stay tuned for that. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's adventure. Cheers, everyone.